So I just started using this Rosemary Biotin infused shampoo a few weeks ago, and I'm really loving the results that I'm getting with it. So I haven't noticed any hair, so check it out. Hair growth or anything like that because it's only been 2 weeks. But it does state that it will promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. I do notice that it is repairing my damaged hair and enhancing my hair strength, which is super important. I notice that my scalp feels super clean without feeling dry, which is amazing. So my scalp feels really clean without that dry feeling, and it makes my hair really shiny. This is suitable for all hair types. So I have more dry, wavy hair, and it works really well for my hair. I love the smell of this as well. Another part of this shampoo that I really like is that it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and silicone-free, which is super important for your hair health.